Hello everyone, America's Got Talent. This is Sharmadal and I will be singing Adele First Love. Alright. So little to say, but so much time. Despite my empty mouth, the words are in my mind. Please wear the face, the one where you smile, because it lightens up my heart when I start to cry. Forgive me first, oh, but I am tired. I need to get away to feel again. Try to understand why. Don't get so close to changing my mind. Please wipe that look on your eyes. It's driving me to down myself simply. It's tiring. Your love has dried up and stayed behind. And if I stay, I'll be alive. There's a chunk of us out, always hide. See, excuse me first, love, but we're through. I need to taste a kiss from someone new. Forgive me first, love, but I'm too tired. I'm bored, to say the least, that I like desire. Forgive me first, love. Forgive me first, love. Peace out.